What up, YouTube? This is Magic One Full. We got a little package in the morning today. Let's see what it is. Yeah. What it is. Get this shit. See from who it is. It is from Steve Mead. WestCoastCarAudio.com. Steve Mead, the man. What we got here? Stickers. SMD Steven Design. Nice. We got some stickers right here. SMD DMO Engineering. Nice, beautiful. We got some more stickers. Nice. Oh wow. SMD hat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, people. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. For the love of audio. Shit, pretty soon I'm gonna get my distortion. Detector DD1, CC1. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Thanks to Steve Mead, the man, for this nice hat and some stickers. Yeah. Yep.